Well, hello. My name's Brandon. Um, let's see. So this is an introduction to the class. So here's my introduction. I guess we'll start at the beginning. I was born. Just kidding. Anyway, I spent 24 years in California, and let's see. After high school, I joined the military, the Navy to be exact. I did a tour over in Afghanistan. It's a little warm for my taste, but other than that, cool mountains. Anyway, so I did 2 years of active duty, and then 7 years of reserve time after that. Let's see, after I got back from my 2 years of active duty, I kind of fell into a job as a unit clerk for labor and delivery, and they trained me on how to scrub in for C-sections and hysterectomies and any number of GYN procedures, really. And so I did that for a couple of years, worked night shift. Sucks. So I sympathize with anybody who's done that. But after... In 2012, I moved out here to Colorado, where I currently reside, and I went out there for school. I got my bachelor's degree in integrative physiology from CU. Let's go Buffs! Yeah. They're terrible at everything in sports, anyway. So once I moved out here, I challenged a test as a surgical technician. And I've been doing that pretty much ever since, because as it turns out, you can't do much with an undergrad in physiology. Anyway, so yeah, I've been a surgical technician and labor and delivery technician for the past about 9 years, I guess. And let's see. So with my degree and the two classes that I need, genetics being one of them, I'm hoping to get into PA school. There's several out here, so I feel like my chances are pretty good. But genetics-wise, I'm pretty excited. This is kind of one of my, I don't know. I kind of have a fascination with it. With the advent of 23andMe and what's the other one? Ancestry.com. That's the one. So I got mine done because why not? So I'm just kind of interested to see what that's all about. Anyway, thanks for checking it out. In terms of hobbies, I play volleyball. I hike. And I don't get a tan, as you can see. Anyway, you guys have a good day. Thanks.